But Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan are always here, supporting the people. We're currently in our charity kitchen in central part of Gaza Strip are preparing hundreds of thousands of meals to not just feed our people, but to keep them warm. The scenes around me speak louder than any word can do. People here are navigating hard life conditions. But Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan rose from beneath the rubble to support people here in order to sustain their survival. Today, we are standing in the dance shelter in southern part of Gaza Strip to deliver them their meal of the day. They are not just meal, but a beacon of hope and a sense of relief. And this would not have been done without your possible and generous support. So thank you.